Hello everybody, here we are with another video from Crypto Quality Signals. This time we are going to cover 3commas. There has been some time we are about to make a video about using 3commas with our signals, and now we have an additional motivation because 3commas has just made an agreement with Binance and become one of the first Binance brokers, which means you can sign up to Binance through 3commas, so you can do everything from a single interface. There's no need to go to your exchange account for anything. You don't need to worry about security and nothing else. Just create your account on 3commas, fund your account, and you start trading. And we are also motivated because we have just incorporated our free crypto quality signals into 3commas platform, so you can also trade for free using our signals. So you can have with 3commas and Binance and crypto quality signals 100% free automated trading platform, which is amazing, right? So you don't have to spend a single dime in crypto trading tools or signals for your operation. Let's try to show how it works. We are going to start by showing the sign up process in 3commas. So scrolling down the screen, we see free, create a new Binance account on 3commas and trade for free. So we'll start the registration. Registration is really simple. You can even use your Facebook account if you want. Just put here your email address, password, confirm, and if you have a promo code, you can use it as well, but who want to get a discount when the price is zero, right? And after filling your form, you agree to the terms, and optional, you can subscribe to notification. So we'll do our registration, okay? I will pause the video for a minute so I can fill in my information and get started. So after filling my registration form, I have access to 3commas platform. Here I can see my funds, my available funds. I can activate a paper trading account as well. Here my email address, and I can create my exchange account here, or I can connect an existing account. That's a very important difference, because if I use the Binance Trade account, I have 3commas for free. But if I connect any other accounts here, I will need a subscription for 3commas to use them. So it's very important that you understand that you will only use 3commas for free if you limit yourself to a single Binance account, a single Binance Trader account, okay? So I will create my account here. So they sent me an email for me to confirm the creation of this account. I will check my email and confirm it here on my mobile, so you are not seeing this, but I don't think it's necessary for this video. So let me open my email here, just one moment. Just one more moment and we are almost there. Okay, looks like I did it. Let me see if it worked. Okay, so now my Binance account has been created. So I need to deposit some funds to begin trading. So why not, right? So I will proceed to deposit my funds. I can deposit using several coins. I will use Bitcoin. So I have my deposit address here, and I will pause the video while I make my deposit. Okay, here we are. After a few minutes, I get my deposit on my Binance Trader account. So I have 0.05 Bitcoin. It's also showing here. It's like $462 at current Bitcoin price, which is 9,243. So now that I have funded my Binance Trader account, I can proceed with my trader strategy. Some comments though, very important. Here 3commas is showing that I have started my 3-day trial. That means that during your first 3 days on your Binance Trader account, you can also use other exchanges for free. But after these 3 days, if you want to continue using other exchanges, you have to pay a 3commas subscription, okay? So my next step here is to go to the marketplace. Here on the marketplace is where I can choose my signals, right? And here I can see signals from several providers, some paid, some free, right? And you can see our free signals here and our premium signals here. For this demonstration, I will only use our free signals. So I will just go to the view stats page. Here I can see some statistics about signals, and these are delayed 24 hours, so it's normal to have some of them with no data. And here I can subscribe. Since it's a free signal, I don't need to pay anything. I just need to accept the terms of use and confirm. Okay. Now that I have subscribed to my signals, I can try them by setting up a bot. So 3commas creates a bot for me, so I can adjust my settings before starting trading. One important thing is that 3commas also provides you a paper trading account. So you can use your paper trading account if you want to test strategies, signals and stuff without risking your money. A paper trading is like a virtual exchange account, so you will work with virtual money, and if you lose anything, you are not losing anything, okay? So it's a good choice. Right now I can proceed with the creation of my bot. I will just put the CQS free here on my bot name. So I know that this bot uses the CQS free signals. I can choose the exchange, but the only one I have is this one. I can create a simple or a composite boat. A composite boat allows you to trade several coins on the same boat. And I will choose BTC all. That means that all BTC pairs available on Binance will be available for my boat. Okay. Here I can choose the maximum number of active deals, how many open deals I want to have. Also my base and safety order size. 3commas call DCA orders as safety orders, so the concept is the same. They are orders placed to safeguard your position if it's going down, the price is going down. And for this demonstration, I will lower down my order sizes to 0003 instead of 003. This way I will use less funds for my demonstration. And also I will adjust here the number of maximum safety trades. So I want to have only 5 safety trades. I will keep them all active. That means I want 3commas to reserve the funds for my trades. The price deviation to open safety trades, I will use 2%. So at every 2% drop, 3commas will place a new safety trade. And my volume scale will be 1. That means I will only double my position size at every safety trade. Okay. So coming back here, I can see that I am using 3.62% of my balance for this boat. That means I can put more active deals at the same time, right? So if I increase here to 10 max active deals, I will use 36% of my funds, which seems a good idea for me right now. You are free to adjust this to your liking. In general, don't try to use all your funds. Otherwise, if you want to place manual safety trades, you won't be allowed to do it. Okay. Start order type, I will use market because I prefer to enter trades faster. If you use limit, 3commas will try to enter using limit orders, which may take a while, and you may end up entering later on trades, even at higher prices. So I prefer market. It's not financial advice. Do your own research before deciding. Here I have my deal start condition set as crypto quality signals. That's all I want. You can combine more start conditions. They will be combined. That means they all must be true for the trade to be started. Okay. My take profit target, I will look for 2% per trade from total volume, and I will use a trailing stop at 0.5. It's just my choice. You don't have to use it. Trailing stop is great because as soon as my take profit is hit, 3commas will monitor the price, and if it drops by this percentage here, my position is closed. But if the price continues to raise, my profit will continue to raise, which is great, right? So this way, I will, in theory, I will have at least 1.5% profit, but I can have much more in some trades. Let's see how it goes. And here I have the choice for stop loss. I'm not going to use a stop loss because I don't like it. I prefer to sell on profit than on loss. But if you like to use a stop loss, you can enable it here, set your stop loss percentage here. You can even have a stop loss timeout, and you can even choose to stop the boat if you have a stop loss. Okay. I already talked about the safety orders, Here I have some advanced settings, so I can prevent my bot from dealing, for example, if BTC volume is lower than 10 BTC. Okay, right now we are on a high BTC dominance, so altcoin trading volume is very small. In normal market condition, you may use 20, 50, I don't know, 75. But if you use this now, most of your trades won't start. So I am using 10 just for the sake of this demonstration. You can also don't use a volume filter. And here I will use a minimum price to open a deal at 100 satoshis. That means I don't want to trade low satoshis coin. Okay, low satoshis are a little mess to trade in an automated way. They get you great profit, but they also may give you great loss, because if they drop by 1%, sometimes it's by 1 satoshis, sometimes it's 10%. So it's too much for me. Okay, I can have cooldown between deals. I don't want to use it, and I can limit the simultaneous deals for the same pair. So I don't want to have more than one position for the same coin. That's all. I can create my bot here, and the bot is successfully saved, so I can start the bot, and bot is turned on. Okay, now that my bot's turned on, I don't need to do anything else. 3commas will trade for me using these settings. Whenever a signal comes from Crypto Quality Signals free service, and I have a full setup bot with free signals and without having to pay any fees for 3commas. And since Binance only charges for the fees at each trade, my costs will be minimal. Okay, 3commas is much more than a bot platform. You have the smart trades where you can manually buy and sell your coins. The smart trade interface is amazing, but I won't cover all those details in this video because it's not its purpose. But I invite you to explore the smart trade interface, probably using paper trading, so you can understand everything without so much risks. But it's really awesome. In the smart trade, you can buy coins, set your take profit strategy, and even your stop loss strategy in a single screen. It also has trailing buy, which is amazing, allows you to buy a coin that has its price dropping, but you will wait for the price to start raising before actually buying. Okay, you can choose any percentage of your funds here, from 100%, 10%, 25% to invest on the trade. Also, you have the smart sell that you use when you already have the coins on the exchange. You just want to turn them into a trade on 3commas. You have the smart cover. It's a similar, but it's like a short trade, a short smart sell. So you already have the coin, but you want to short and not long it. And you have the buy sell interface, which is very simple. You can either buy or sell coins directly without using a trade. You can even buy here and then turn it into a smart sell later. Okay, so I invite you to explore this interface. It's really amazing. Here you have the My Exchanges interface where you can manage your exchange accounts. In this case, I am using only my Binance Trader, so I don't use this interface for that. But here I have my Binance Trader, I have my funds movements, my portfolio value, how much it changed in the last 24 hours. I can even deposit and withdraw here, and I can also click here to view my assets on the exchange, the same way you would look for on Binance. So here I can see my portfolio, and here I can see my tokens, which coins I have on the exchange. As the bot start to trade, other coins will appear here. Okay, my trader diary will show the history of my smart trades, and my after my bot starts to trade, I will also have some deals created by the bots. They will also appear here as a menu. And that's it. I think you are in good hands with 3commas. It's an amazing platform, and for free it's even better, right? I hope you guys enjoy this video and our free signals on 3commas. If you can support our services by also subscribing to our premium signals, we'll be happy as well. I wish you guys happy trading. See you on next video.